Today in this video, I have brought some forestry machines for you which make harvesting of tree very easier than before. When we need to clear the forest on a large scale, then this machine is used there, whereby the clearing of the forest is done very fast. In this technique, a heavy chain is installed between two vehicles and run both vehicles among the tree of the forest. After that, every coming trees in the grip of the chain is unrooted, and as this, the cleaning of the forest is done very fast. After cutting the tree to convert it into logs, first of all we cut the twigs of the tree, then cut the logs, which takes a lot of time. But this machine makes this work very easy, whereby the tree can be converted into logs in seconds. First of all, this machine cuts the stressed tree, then cleans the logs by cutting the twigs, and then cut the logs, which almost does not take a minute. And the process of converting tree into logs is done very fast. When the trees around our house come over the house, then we have to cut up that twigs, for which this machine is used. This machine has big hand whereby even harsh twigs can be cut easily, and we humans don't have to climb trees. Usually you have seen install the cutting blade in tree harvester, which needs a spinning mechanism to run, but this machine does not use any spinning mechanism to cut the tree. Rather, this machine cuts with its chopping blade installed inside it. This machine uses hydraulic power to cut the tree, whereby even fat tree cut easily, and as this clearing of the forest is done very fast. Guys, when you need to clear the forest on a large scale, then this machine is used there, whereby cleaning of the forest is done very fast. As wood is cut through the chain in the saw, like that this machine also cut the tree through the chain, which is very big, and whatever trees comes in the chain's grip, they get cut, and harvested trees get out behind. Guys, we're transmitting 11,000 to lakh voltage in the transmission line. Around there, having tree plant is very dangerous because more than 11,000 volts can easily transmit to the land-wide trees. Now if anyone will try to cut the twigs around, then the shocking danger will keep staying too much. Now to cut those twigs, the helicopter is used. The helicopter is tied to a cutting machine, in which 10 cutting blades have been installed together, and during cutting, every coming twig in their grip is cut, and also don't get an electric shock. Guys, whenever we cut any trees in the deep forest, then we absolutely cut that tree. But due to dense forest, it is very difficult to remove that tree from there. Now to remove that tree from there, the helicopter is used. Before cutting the tree, the helicopter is tied to the tree. And when the tree is cut, the helicopter immediately lifts that tree from there and put it on the right place. Guys, often after harvesting, we leave its root as it is, because we need only logs, not a root. Because of this, we leave that as it is. But do like this is not good for the forest environment. So this machine is used to unroot the stump of the tree, whereby even hard roots gets unrooted. Now where this machine is not available, there this machine is used, whereby the stump gets rubbed very fast and gets mixed in the soil. For this work, this machine is also used, in which two blades engaged erase the stump by digging like a drill machine. Guys, when you need to clear some areas of the forest, and if we are no any work to the trees of there, so this machine is used to destroy of their trees, which very fastly erase the tree by rubbing. This machine has engaged a special roller brush, due to which this machine destroy that tree on which put its hand. Guys, working methods of this machine are the same, but this machine is used for cleaning the land. This machine mixes every coming trees in its front in soil and clears their land. First of all, this machine rubs and falls the tree. After that, destroy that tree with its rubbing brush. Even though that is tree or tree's root, everything becomes sauce in this machine. Guys, nowadays petrol price is increasing a lot. Due to this, many countries are going to depend on biofuel. Biofuel is a flammable liquid like petrol, which is produced from biomass, means it is produced from those organic material which have highly flammable properties such as maize, sugar, animal waste, wood, and many other things, in which a lot is found in the wood. Now to extract oil from wood, first of all we have to convert wood into a small chips, for which this machine is used, which even a fat tree converts into chips. Often during harvesting, loading and unloading happen a lot. Now we humans can't even lift a barbell, so how can we lift the log? Well, this machine is used to do this work, which can easily lift many logs at once. During using this machine, the driver has to wear VR technology because the hands of this machine is very big, due to which the driver does not see the front view. And after using VR device, the driver can closely see everything. Guys, when we want to plant any tree around our house, then first of all we have to plant a small plant, which takes a lot of time to become big, and we have to wait till a long time to see our house environment greeny. But today's time is not a waiting time, rather move faster than time. Yes, this machine is capable to transplant the tree from one place to another place. The spade of this machine digs deeply into the soil around the tree and lifts it. After that, transplants securely on the right place. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some knowledge. If you like this video, then definitely like this video, and if you wanna see more videos like this, then subscribe our channel Arcade Adventure and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I will see you again.